गुड इवनिंग। इस पोस्ट में हम लोग स्टीफन हॉकिंस के बारे में जानेंगे। हु वाज स्टीफन हॉकिंग और उसकी लाइफ कैसे थी। तो उनके चार जो मेन पहलू थे, उनके जो मोर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स जो थे उनके बारे में, उनकी लाइफ में उसके बारे में पता करेंगे। लाइक पर्सनल, हाउ इट इज़ अ पर्सनल, उनकी हाउ वाज हिज एजुकेशन, हाउ मेनी अवार्ड्स एंड व्हाट आर द अवार्ड्स ही हैज़ वॉन, and what was his important works and publications. So first of all, we will learn about his personal, that means personal details, when he was born and when he died. So first detail is he was born on 8th January 1942 in Oxford, England. His father name was Frank and mother name was Isabel, and there were four younger siblings also. He was diagnosed with ALS, an autoimmune disease in 1962, which make him confined to what you call to the wheelchair. Okay, and then he marries Jane Wilde in 1965, and his condition worsens. He uses crutches and wheelchairs. He had three children: Robert, Lucy, and Timothy. And after some times he marries again one lady, Elaine Mason, in 1995. So after 30 years of marriage, so he has done the second marriage, and he has died in 14th March 2018. So that was his about personal details. Now comes to his educations. He has completed his educations at St Albans, Hertfordshire, and he was a average student but called Einstein in the school. He studies physics at the University College in Oxford in 1959 and go to the famous Trinity Hall, Cambridge. He has done his PhD in applied mathematics and theoretical physics in 1967-66, and he publishes papers and received multiple honoris doctorates from 1968 onwards throughout his career life. And then, what are the awards he has got? Main awards was Adams Prize for Mathematical Research, and then he received Fellow of the Royal Society, famous of London, very famous society, Royal Society London, and then plus 11 gold medal from the Pope, and then Lucasian Professor of Mathematics, Cambridge University. That also was one of the honors he received. And then Commander of the Order of the British Empire 1982, he has received in 1982, and Presidential Medal of Freedom, USA. So from all over the world he has won many awards and honors. And lastly, his works. What are his important works? His work was research on black holes, that famous is his work, relativity and other topics. Then large scale structure of space-time in 1973 has done. A Brief History of Time, international bestseller. That was his maybe one of his book. And Universe in a Nutshell. That was also a publication book. And George Secret Key to the Universe, a children book with the daughter Lucy. And the Grand Design in 2010. So that was about the Stephen Hawking. He was considered a one of the most intelligent men on the earth. He recently died in 2018. So that was about Stephen Hawking.